Gurave Goura Chandraya Radhikaya Tadalaye Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tatvaktaye Namo Namaha Taptakanchana Gaurange Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Shutide Pranamami Hari Priye He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Radhe 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 Jai Shri Radhe, welcome to Goura Sangha. Shri Vilap Kusumanjali. Text 26. Anta Devi Tilakasya Samasta Vindavorunashu Gandirashena Krishna Madaka Mahausadhi Mukhya Tirahastam Iha Kimpara Kalpya. O Queen, with a steady hand will I artistically decorate you with the aromatic red tilak dots that are the most powerful aphrodisiac to madden Lord Krishna. Praise Śrila Raghunātha Goswāmī. With a steady hand will I artistically decorate you. As studied in the previous videos, we see that manjaris are expert in all the different kind of art. They are expert in drawing, painting, dancing, singing, chanting, cooking, creating garlands, clothes, decoration, everything. They are the ones who are decorating the holy spots where Shri Shri Radheshyam are meeting. In Nitya Vrindavan, when Radheshyam are meeting in secret or not, but in a date, transcendental date, everything is ready, set up. Everything is full of beautiful decoration. And they are, Radha and Krishna, they are so deep in love that they realize that everything is just like this, almost by magic. But all is fully planned by the Sakis, the Manjaris, the Kinkaris. All the Manjaris are Sakis, but not all the Sakis are Manjaris. Manjaris has the path to enter to the deepest lila of Shri Shri Shyama Shyam. And here Raghunātha Das is saying, praying, with a steady hand will I artistically decorate you, but not any special, like unique, no any ordinary decoration. He is speaking exactly about a decoration that turns Krishna into a crazy young boy in love. With the aromatic red tilak dots, so beautiful dots that here we read dots, but in reality every dot has beautiful designs like mandalas, beautiful decoration around the lotus eyes of Sri Radha. That the eyes of Sri Radha are so sweet and full of love. And they are always moving from one side to the other, that Krishna cannot stop looking at her, but now plus this beautiful service that Raghunātha Das Ji is doing. As a manjari, he's decorating the eyes of Sri Radha. So it's not only that the mind of Krishna cannot get out of the eyes of Sri Radha, but also Krishna is trapped inside the decoration like a magnetic field that is keeping the Krishna's mind inside the two eyes of Sri Radha. Krishna is under a spell that he cannot get out, and he wishes that this spell will be eternal and forever there. So Sri Radha accepts this beautiful seva from Raghunātha Das Raghunātha. And through this, Krishna get maddened on Sri Radha. These aromatic red tilak dots that are the most powerful aphrodisiac to madden Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is getting totally crazy in love with Sri Radha, eternally meeting Radha and Krishna Shyama Shyam. And even though every time, every second, Krishna is more and more in love and deeply crazy about Radha. But it's not only one side love, it's two sides love. In this way, Radha also, when she is looking at Krishna, the eyes of Radha cannot stop in just one place in his lotus face, Krishna's lotus face, but she's looking everything about him, like if it will be the last time they will meet, but they are meeting eternally and they will meet eternally, they will be always together. Even when they have their own business in somehow, still they are meditating on themselves. So also Radharani is crazy about Krishna, and Krishna is crazy about Radha. And this supreme communion, supreme union, this supreme love is the maximum goal to achieve, to see, to have darshan of for the Manjaris, who are the only ones that has no personal desires. No personal desires more than to see Shri Shri Shyama Shyam together. This is all what we should look for, that they are happy and everything is perfectly set up. When they are together, all the preparations of food, offerings are ready for them, the candle lights, the flowers, the garlands, everything is ready. So that moment is of an eternal bliss, Ananda. With aromatic red tilak dots that are the most powerful aphrodisiac to madden Lord Krishna. With a steady hand will I artistically decorate you, O Queen, O Vrindavaneshwari. Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.